Welcome back for another video, guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing of the Manfrotto 196B-2. It's a single articulated arm. This one came with a camera bracket. So let's get started. Now, I don't know where to start on this one. Okay. It's actually kind of small than I thought it would be. There's a manual and some accessory of Okay, so the box came with the arm and this one, and the reason I bought this one is I'm hoping I can clamp it on my table and then to have a top view of the camera. So I actually bought a clamp for this. It's also a Manfrotto, so I'll be showing you in a bit. I'm gonna clamp it on my table. So I was reading this paper that came with it, not really a manual. So it's like a bunch of warnings. Like, it's so weird that it says to read the manual first, the full instruction, but it doesn't come with it. So I guess they just want us to go to online and download the manual from there. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna try figuring it out. Maybe I can just figure it out how to put this thing together, and I'll show you later. So I think I figured it out, guys. So this is actually a camera mount. So you mount your camera here, right here, and this thing, you put this in here. So you'll see that this metal it's not really all completely rounded. There's like a notch here, so that's where you actually bolt it in or hit the bolt to that thing. So when you rotate, it will lock it in, and then lock this one too. So it's loose right now, so tighten it some more right there. And in the bottom, this is where you're gonna be for your clamp. Alright. You can also mount this thing on a tripod. So the other end, the thread is a little bit bigger. So that's not the one. But on the other end, right here, so you can just mount it to the tripod. I already unpacked the clamp, so this is what's inside, and a pin or a bolt, and for some reason they actually put a manual in here. This is not the manual. It's this kind of same thing in the other one, but this is the manual. So it's strange. This one has a manual, but the articulated arm box doesn't have one. So the font is big enough. So I'm gonna assemble this. So I'm gonna clamp it in here. This table is made of glass, but the bottom there's a steel bracket. So I'm gonna use a paper and clamp it down. But yeah, this actually I forgot that the clamp is rubberized in the bottom, and the other side it's not. So that's where you put the paper. Okay, I'm gonna fold this twice. A little bit wider. And remember not to over tighten it, especially this one, it's glass. You just need it snug. So if it's still moving a little bit, you could tighten it. So just use your fingers to tighten it, because it's actually putting a lot of force already. Right there. And then install this guy. Wait, has to be all the way. Oops. Oh wait, that's not it. Wait. Why is it not going all the way? Oh, I figure that figures. So push this pin, because it's actually blocking in the way to insert this thing right there. Then you can tighten it. I did not read the manual. I know somebody's gonna say that you should read the manual. That's strange. Why is this still loose? But it's actually locked already. So as you can see, it's a little bit moving a little bit. Clamp it some more. I think that's enough because it's actually putting a lot of force already. You don't want the glass to break. So this is what it looks like on top of my table, guys. So I just clamped it down and mounted the camera, and it's pretty cool. I can make a better video, I guess, from now on. And yeah, this is a lot easier, guys. Oops, upside down. So I'm really happy that I bought this thing. Before, when I was making videos, I was just like really on the side of the tripod. It was really hard because the legs of the tripod is getting on my in my way. My feet sometimes gets it hits the tripod's leg. This one, oh man, this is a lot better than I thought. This is the pin that came with the clamp. I'm just gonna keep this for now. I don't know what I'm gonna be using it for. Probably I should read the manual. I usually just read the manual when I'm really having difficulty figuring out things. But right now, this is pretty good. Really satisfied with this product. Yeah. I think this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.